Okay, first of all, to make our lava lamp, we've got to fill up our jar, obviously with the lid off, half full. Pour it in slowly and carefully so that you don't make too much mess. About half full. Glug, 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 glug. And that's about half. And then carefully put the lid back on and place your oil to the side. Then we're going to fill it up with water, but leaving a couple of centimetres at the top. Hopefully it doesn't spill. If it does, then it's okay. We've got our little tea towel there. So we'll put that up to about sort of where the rib is on here. Okay, and as you can see, it's starting to mix already. Following that, we're going to put the tiniest little bit of food colouring in. And we're just going to drop it in like that. Oops. See how that goes. If we don't have enough, we can always add some more. Maybe I'll put a little bit more in. Actually, no, I won't. I'll just leave it. We can always add some later. Then next, what we've got to do is get our Alka-Seltzer tablets. Just take one out. Rip it in half, because there's always two. Take the top off. And open it. If it takes a little while to open it, that's okay. And there's our tablet. And then what we've got to do now is just with your hands, break it into a few little pieces, as you can see. And then, that's where the fun starts. So what we're going to do is with our lid, we're just going to give our bottle a little bit of a shake around. You can see what it's doing now. The food colouring is down the bottom and the oil is here. And then the water is sort of blending in, which is a bit funny, but we'll talk about that later. So now what we're going to do is get our little bit of tablet, and we're going to put it in. Then we're going to look for a reaction. You ready? Okay, go. And as you can see, there's heaps of bubbles rising, and that's how we make our little lava lamp. And then if you want more of a reaction, put a little bit more in. And now we just watch. We'll put our last little bit in. Then we'll put the lid on just to be safe. And it's done up. And now we just watch. See all the bubbles rising from the top. And it's important, really important, we put the lid on just in case some of those bubbles pop out. Just limits our mess. So we'll just wait for that for the tablets to fizz out. And then we'll give it a little bit of a shake. But a really cool thing you might like to try would be to put a different colour in. So I maybe put 1 or 2 little droplets in, and that was really good. So maybe you put a green one in, maybe you could put a blue one in. So there's only a little bit left down the bottom. All those bubbles, I wonder whether they're liquid or solid. Then we'll just put one more tablet in. Or maybe we can give it a shake and then put some more tablets in. So making sure the lid's on properly. A little bit of a shake. And we'll see what happens. Can anybody guess what's going to happen? Well, now it's a bit of a solid red. Obviously it wouldn't be very nice if we decided to drink some, so we won't drink any. So now we get another tablet. Or sort of two half tablets. Oh, bit of a pop. And we'll see what happens now. Put our lid back on.